Hello, in this video we have an introduction to Arabic alphabet. We are not going to talk about every single letter of Arabic language in this video. We are going to tackle that in the following videos. In this video we'll have just an introduction to the basics to understand how to read and write and to make learning Arabic alphabet maybe easier for you after understanding those critical points. Okay, so first thing we need to learn is that we have 29 letters in Arabic alphabet. Some of them are similar to the pronunciation we have in English or Latin languages, and some of them are unique and maybe a bit different or difficult for even some. But yeah, we are going to talk about that in details. And of course, we write Arabic from right to left. So, like, this will be the start on the top right because we write and read from right to left. Second point we need to learn about is dots. Dots are very important and critical in Arabic language. For example, here we have three different letters, ba, ta, and tha. They have the same shape, the same drawing, the same writing. The only difference is that the dots, the number of them and where we put them is very critical. For example, the first letter we have here on the right is ba. Ba has only one dot below it. Next to it is ta. Ta has two dots above it. Tha has three dots also above it. So we need to remember where are the dots and how many of them there are to know which letter that is. Third critical point, connections, al-wasl. It's very important to know that Arabic letters are not written separately, like English letters. For example, we talked about ba, ta, and tha. Okay, that's cool. But when we need to form a word, when we need to write an Arabic word, we need to connect these letters together. For example, it will like ba will be connected to ta, will be connected to tha, as we see here. So we connect Arabic letters together to form words, which means every single letters will have different shapes according to its position in the sentence. For example, the letter ba that we talked about, one dot below, its shape will be different a bit according to its position. In the beginning, it will have this shape. In the middle of the word, it will have another shape. In the end, it will have another shape. Of course, we will talk about that in details when we discuss every single letter, but we need to learn now that the shape of every letter differs a bit to understand that, oh, okay, this is ba in the beginning, oh, this is ba in the middle, this is ba in the end. So we can read Arabic words. The fourth critical point is diacritical marks or التشكيل. Diacritical marks are somehow like vowels, like in English, okay? So it's just marks we put above or below every Arabic letter to produce different sounds, and those sounds are vowel sounds. For example, here on the right, we have a mark like a dash, a small dash. We put it above the letter, and it makes the letter pronounce with a sound. So this will be ba. The second mark is similar to the apostrophe in English. It's like a small wow or apostrophe. We put it above the letter to produce the oo sound. So if we see this mark above the ba letter, we know that it will be pronounced like boo. And the third one is a little dash put under the letter, and it produces the E sound. So if we see this little dash below the letter, we know that we will pronounce it with E sound. So it will be B. Okay. So according to these marks, like if we read it from right to left, it would be ba, boo, B. So a single letter produced three different sounds according to those diacritical marks: ba, bu, bi. So we need to know, at least for now, these three diacritical marks to be able to read Arabic words. Okay, I understand that it may sound like a bit complicated or hard. No, it's not. It just need practice and you will get used to it. We just need to know that it's just a basic introduction and like it's a wholesome introduction. So when we learn about every single letter alone, it will become easier and we will understand those points even better when we learn it. So, if you have any questions, comment below and I will try my best to answer it. Thank you.